waiting for a car to come pick me up. I have to go to an event for one of our clients. It's at the Four Seasons. Yeah, so should be cool. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. How cool is this bathroom? Like, how cool. I'm such a girl. Salut to the moon. Long time no talk. Oh gosh, I have been so busy and so sick the past couple of weeks. Just between traveling back to New York, coming back to Paris. I am just leaving a meeting that I had for work now. Then I'm going to, I have to go back to the office and then I have a lunch. Oh, okay. My shoe just came off, of course. But this is like the prettiest street ever. It's near Élysée Palace. But yeah, really cute area. I'm sorry I've been so bad with vlogging. I'm gonna try to get you guys back caught up on, you know, Paris life. It's Soul Days right now, so more drama with my stupid bag. So yeah, I have to get you guys all caught up on, you know, Live in Paris life. So I will talk to you guys later. So we're here at the holiday party. We have the bowling alley. Yay! I'm on Joanna's team. Remy and Beatrice are on that team. We're the winning team. Yay! Work party, how do you feel?
Oh, great. Oh, no, that's pretty.